given position. Start counting from the left. The first one has been done for you.
Okay? Like for example, number 1.
Ah! I get it. I need to color the one that...
Yes! You put the
Which one
color. You choose the color, which one you like there.
blue. This is better. This color. Yeah, I want it right. 8. 1,
Can you choose now and just and put the color na?
7, 8.
Ayan! See?
Color yan.
Ikaw pa. Ikaw pala.
3, 4, 5,
Aha.
8.
Sila halap pa ya. See?
Okay.
Ikaw palang ga.
Second.
You need to answer first the number 2.
No, I wanted... Okay.
Okay,
Color
you
blue.
forgot.
Blue. I didn't
Blue.
forgot.
Oh, naliptan mo lang. This
This
one, this is nice.
I want it to be clear.
Ah, okay.
But how can I...
Yan.
This is super frizzy.
It's okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, super frizz. I like this color, but I don't like it in the test.
No, hindi makita.
Everyone. I don't even know who's everyone. I need color green because I want color.
Oh, ikaw pala. Pangka pa ya.
Let's try this one. Okay.
See? Usos silangga. Kanamik silangga. Magkurba-kurba ka trio. Oh, yan. Sus kanamik. Walang katulad. Wow. Ang tanan nga kadayawan. Para sa palangga. To make it positive. Ihatag sa taiya.
Brown. Do we have brown?
Yeah. It's
Brown?
there. Yes, eh. Brown pa.
No, that's black.
Are you sure?
No,
This is brown.
is black.
Yeah, but that one is brown. Sus ka na. May makulay. Ayan.
Here. The
Huh?
end is
Huh?
10.
Okay.
Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, wow. Walang katulad.
Ice
See?
cream.
Din, ano gusto mo?
Chocolate! I like chocolate ice
Oh,
cream.
favorite ka ice cream, chocolate. Walang katulad.
Like, I never tasted the Oreo ice cream. I really want to taste it.
Favorite one is color red.
No.
Ha?
The
Bakan?
presents wraps must
Wow,
be
what's
always
that?
red.
Oh no. Amo gidata na langga ya tunay langga nga color
Also the
sa
presents.
gift pangga. This is gift of my langga. Ayan, see?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here, right?
Basta i-count mo lang mayad. It's an easy lab, no? Di ba lag? Color ka langga ka, no? May brown pa langga ng pungango gali. Oh no, laya doon ng pungango langga.
Tito.
Maybe that's a kite.
Ladybug.
A ladybug? That's ladybug. Maybe it's ladybug. I don't know. Can you put na color?
Maybe it's also, you're right, kite.
Yeah, it's kite.
Maybe a ladybug kite.
Yeah, it's ladybug kite. That's good.
You can't talk.
Okay.
Is that red at the same time? So
Yeah.
you cannot talk, I said. If you say things, you can't talk. Until I say your name.
Wow.
These are color green and this is red.
Okay. Maybe it's the turtle. It's the kwan sorry.
Crab!
Crab? That's ladybug kite.
Yeah, I guess it's, I don't even know what this is. Now let's go to the next page.
Wow. Thank you.